What did we just do?
Dog, show him.
I can't really explain it. I'm so into you now. I wanna be more than a friend of you now. When they ask, I mention my baby girl in the interviews.
What up, Tee&H
TV?
Today we're letting you guys on Instagram pick our day. The first question was, I'm gonna put it right here. Should we go to the mall or Petland? So it looks like we're going to Petland, and that's what we were hoping for because we love Petland.
Damn, that car clean.
1, 2, 3. So guys, we are so torn between these dogs. There's one more but we can't have them in the same room. It's a Cocker Spaniel, but this one is so cuddly. This one's just doesn't do anything. Look at him.
God, he's one of
You're
those.
so extra.
Attention Petland customers! One of our puppies is found at forever home. Hannah and Tim are taking him this beautiful Cocker Spaniel.
What did we just do?
Dog, show him.
We just got a freaking puppy. Okay guys, crying a little bit because TJ just got me a puppy. We haven't found a name yet, but we might by the end of the video. Shout out to these people.
Our sales lady was Miss
Victoria, right? Crap. If it wasn't Victoria, I feel bad.
It was Miss Victoria, and Miss Emily helped us out as
Yep.
well. So y'all go see them at Petland, show some love.
Look at our new baby. Look at him. His little ears. Oh.
Well, all right then, man. Fucking petty nose so bad too.
So we aren't telling you his name yet, but this is OG's first reaction to the mystery puppy's name. And let's go. I don't think OG's gonna like him. Oh my gosh, you're being too rough with him.
What's on OG tail like that?
He's peeling. Oh shoot. So as you can see, we realized that OG had poop on his tail, so a little interference with them meeting, but we will do it when he's done getting the poop off of his tail. Poop. It's not peeling. It might be peeling because he is shedding, but he's not too thrilled right now with me. He looks really mad. So yeah. Ow! 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 Wait, we can. So you guys chose for us to go to Starbucks, and that's where we're going right
Which yeah? Come on, Frappuccino Grande.